Highway surveyors play a crucial role in ensuring the safety and efficiency of our roadways. In the bustling city of Laxmi Nagar, where traffic congestion is a common issue, the expertise of highway surveyors becomes even more invaluable. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys and gathering data on various aspects of the highways in Laxmi Nagar, including traffic flow, road conditions, and signage. This information is then used to design effective solutions and make informed decisions about road improvements and infrastructure development. One of the key responsibilities of highway surveyors in Laxmi Nagar is to assess the traffic patterns and identify areas that are prone to congestion. By analyzing the data collected during their surveys, these professionals can pinpoint problem areas and propose strategies to alleviate traffic congestion. This may involve suggesting changes to traffic signal timings, implementing roundabouts or flyovers, or even redesigning certain sections of the highway to improve traffic flow. The goal is to create a smoother and more efficient commuting experience for the residents and commuters of Laxmi Nagar. In addition to addressing traffic congestion, highway surveyors in Laxmi Nagar also focus on enhancing road safety. They carefully examine the condition of the highways, looking for any signs of wear and tear, such as potholes or cracks. By identifying these issues early on, they can recommend timely repairs and maintenance work to ensure the safety of all road users. Furthermore, highway surveyors also assess the effectiveness of existing signage and road markings, making sure they are clear, visible, and compliant with traffic regulations. This attention to detail helps prevent accidents and promotes a safer driving environment in Laxmi Nagar. The role of highway surveyors in Laxmi Nagar extends beyond just collecting data and making recommendations. Highway surveyors are essential to maintaining the effectiveness and safety of our roads. The knowledge of highway surveyors is even more important in the busy metropolis of Laxmi Nagar, where traffic congestion is a frequent problem. These experts are in charge of doing research and compiling information on a range of highway-related topics in Laxmi Nagar, such as traffic patterns, road conditions, and signs. The design of efficient solutions and the formulation of well-informed choices about the development of infrastructure are then based on the information provided. Laxmi Nagar highway surveyors' primary duties include analyzing traffic trends and locating places that are prone to congestion. These experts can identify issue areas and suggest solutions by examining the data gathered during their surveys. Highway surveyors are essential to maintaining our roads' effectiveness and safety. The skills of highway surveyors are even more vital in Laxmi Nagar, a busy city where